English phrases explained. Firefight. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, firefight. You might have heard it in movies, news, or read it in books. Let's get to understand its meaning and how to use it. The word firefight is composed of two words, fire and fight. In its most literal sense, a firefight refers to an exchange of gunfire, especially during a battle or conflict. Picture two opposing groups, each trying to overcome the other, with bullets flying back and forth. That intense scene of shooting is a firefight. While its primary meaning relates to battles and conflicts, firefight can also be used metaphorically in some contexts. For instance, 1. Business. The two companies were in a firefight over market share. Here, it means a tough competition. 2. Sports. The two teams were in a firefight until the last minute. It implies a close and intense competition. To get a clearer idea, let's see the phrase in action. 1. The soldiers found themselves in a firefight in the dense jungle. 2. The basketball game turned into a real firefight in the last quarter, with both teams scoring one after the other. 3. Negotiations between the two factions broke down, leading to a fierce firefight. The phrase, firefight, offers a vivid image of intensity, whether it's in the context of a literal battle or a metaphorical competition. Now that you understand its meaning and usage, try to use it in your conversations or writings. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but also about the rich tapestry of phrases and expressions that bring the language to life. Hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, happy learning!